Hello students of class 7. So today I am going to discuss the next topic, that is addition and subtraction of rational numbers. So see, already you have added fractions, you have subtracted one fraction from the other. Okay, you have to do the same thing here. 2-3 things you have to remember. See, sometimes what happened when we used to do addition or subtraction, in case of rational number you have to see the denominator. Sometimes denominators are same, sometimes it may happen that that denominator is a multiple of the other one. Okay, and sometimes the denominators are not multiple of each other. So what we have to do to equal the denominator, because all of you know that if we equal the denominator, then we can easily add or subtract the rational number. Okay, for example, if I take one number, suppose 3 by 5 and plus suppose minus 7 by 5, you can directly add the number C because denominator is same. So the LCM of these two numbers will be what? 5. That is very simple. Okay, so this is the by doing this way we can do very easily, we can do, or we can very easily solve this question as the denominator is same. But what happen when the denominator is not same? So I am going to discuss in the exercise only. Okay, so the first question, come to the first question, and in first question the denominators are same. Okay, exercise 4.3. So let us do it. So see the two questions which I have taken. First question is B number. So see, the denominator are same, so we can write 24 in the LCM. After that, in numerator, the numbers you can write as it is. Okay, so the numbers are 3 plus minus 5, we have to write in bracket because there are two symbols, that's why this number should be written in bracket. Then plus minus will be what? Minus. 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 2. All of you know, if one symbol, if there are two numbers and one is plus and the other is minus, then you have to do subtraction. And the number which is bigger, you have to check the symbol before the bigger number. So it is minus, that means you have to write minus. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 24, when we cancel it, we will get minus 1 by 12, which is the answer. Similarly, number C, you have to take 18 as LCM. So in numerator, we can write as it is, that is minus 7 plus minus 5. So if we open the bracket, we can write plus minus as minus. Okay, this will change, plus minus will become minus. This will remain same. Okay, minus 7. Then after that, you know, if there are two negative symbols before the numbers, okay, respective numbers, then we can add both the numbers. 7 plus 5 will be 12, that is minus 12 by 18. Then we cancel it, we got minus 2 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. So question number 2. In question number 2, as you can see, in all the denominator, one denominator is multiple of the other denominator. So I have written like star mark. Okay, in star mark I have written denominator is the multiple of the other denominator. So I have taken number B and C. So see here, first of all you have to see the denominator. See here 5 and here it is 10. So see, we can say 10 is a multiple of 5. Okay, so we can convert 5 to 10 easily. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to multiply it with 2. That means we want an equivalent fraction, or we can say an equivalent rational number of this number, that is 2 by 5. Okay, so we have to multiply by 2 to the numerator and denominator, so that the denominator should be converted to 10. Then we can do the simplification very easily. Okay, so see here, I have multiplied the numerator and denominator with 2. Then finally I got what? 4 by 10 plus minus 3 by 10. And now it is similar to question number 1. See, denominator is same. So we can easily add or subtract the numerator. So 4 plus minus 3. Then 4 minus plus minus will become minus. So 4 minus 3 will be 1. So one step I have not written because it is already known. You have also done in class 6 also. Okay. So you can also skip that step. 4 plus minus will be minus. 4 minus 3 will be 1. So 1 by 10. Similarly, come to number C. Here you can see 27 is the multiple of 9. Okay. So we have to convert 9 to 27. That means what we are converting? We are converting the smaller number. Okay. Smaller number. because we have to multiply the smaller number so that it will become bigger. Okay, bigger means what? Here it is 27, 27 is bigger than 9. That's why we have to multiply 9 by what? 3. So like that, like I have done in number B, same I have done here. I am multiplying here by 3 in numerator and denominator. So minus 21 by what? 27. Why it is 27? See, 9 3s are 27. Okay, I am multiplying by 3 because to make it like the second denominator, that is 27. So now you can easily solve. This is now the same as question number 1. So take 27 as LCM. In numerator, both the number will get added because both are in negative sign. So minus 21 minus 4 will be minus 25. So minus 25 by 27 is the final answer. So question number 3. In question number 3, the denominators are not multiple of each other. So in this case, what we have to do? See, in number B, 1 by 9 plus bracket minus 1 by 8. See, the denominator is 9 and other denominator is 8. They are not multiple of each other. So in that case, just multiply with the other. Means you have to multiply 9 with 8 and 8 with 9. Okay. So see, I am multiplying 9 with 8. So if I am multiplying in denominator, I have to multiply in numerator also. So multiplying 1 with 8. Okay. Similarly here, you have to multiply 8 with what? 9. Okay. So if I multiply 8 with 9, then also in numerator I have to multiply with 9. So by that way, what will happen? The denominator becomes what? Same. Okay. We are multiplying 9 with 8, so it will get converted to 72. Similarly, multiplying 8 with 9, so the denominator becomes what? 72. So now taking the LCM, that is 72. In numerator, you have to write the number as it is, that means 8 plus minus 9. So plus minus will become minus. 8 minus 9 will be minus 1 by 72 is the final answer. Similar question I have taken number F. See, here also denominator, one denominator is 8, another is 9. Again you have to multiply 8 with 9 and 9 with 8. Okay. Similarly numerator, you have to multiply with the same number. So see, I have multiplied with 9 in numerator and denominator. Here also I have multiplied 8 with the numerator and denominator. So 72, 72, both the denominator are same, and numerator is minus 63 and the second numerator is 64. Now take the LCM, that will be the same, 72. Next minus 63 plus 64. You have to write as it is in the numerator if the denominator becomes same. Okay. So finally we got what? 1 by 72. Next is question number 4. Here you have to subtract. Okay, subtract one number from another. Suppose I write subtract 5 from 10. Okay, subtract 5 from 10. Then the mathematical statement for this question will be what? 10 minus 5. Okay, 10 minus 5, because we are subtracting 5 or we are taking away 5 from what? 10. So there are 10 numbers, we are taking 5 from 10 numbers. That's why we have to write 10 then minus 5. Similarly, if I write subtract 10 from 2. So what I have to write? The mathematical statement for this will be, we are subtracting from 2. So from 2 numbers, we are taking away 10 numbers. So we have to write 2 minus 10. Okay. So 2 minus 10 will be what? Minus 8. Got it? Okay. Like that way you have to do. So here also in question number 4b, we are subtracting minus 3 by 8 from what? From 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 you have to write in front. That means the first number will be 4 by 5. Okay. So I have done in this way. There are more ways of doing, but just remember the one way. Okay. If you have any doubt further, you can ask me also. I will give you another way. But see here, this is the simplest way and this is most acceptable. Means when you go in higher classes also, then also you have to do like this. Okay. So see, subtract minus 3 by 8 from 4 by 5. That means you have to write 4 by 5. Then what? We are subtracting, that's why I have written minus. and already one minus symbol is there because this is a rational number. Okay, so in rational number we know there may be any negative symbol may be present. Okay, that's why that symbol we have to write. Okay, and this is written subtract, that means you have to subtract, that means you have to write minus symbol. Okay, so one minus symbol for this subtract, this minus symbol is for subtract, and here the minus symbol already written in the question, that's why I have written. So now see, as you can see, the denominator are not multiple of each other, so you have to what? You have to multiply, you have to multiply. So 5 is multiplied with 8 and 8 is multiplied with 5. Okay, so like that we will convert the rational number first. So this becomes 32 by 40 and this becomes what? Minus 15 by 40. Now numbers in denominator are same, so we can take LCM as 40, and in numerator we have to write as it is. Next we have to open the bracket, so minus minus will become plus, so 32 plus 15 will be 47 and denominator will be 40. Okay, so see the next question, same question number 4 I have taken C number and F number. So rest of the question please try to do it by yourself, okay, and practice it. Okay, so see, in question number C you have to subtract minus 4 by 7 from minus 6 by 7. So first of all you have to write minus 6 by 7, then it is written subtract, so I have to write here minus sign. Then already one minus sign is present before 4 by 7, so that minus. Okay, so after that you have to check the denominator. So denominator is same, so 7, no need to convert it, directly we can do. So 7 in numerator, minus 6 minus, then minus 4, so minus minus will become what? Plus. So minus 6 plus 4 will be minus 2 by 7 is the final answer. Similarly, see number F, here you have to subtract from minus 4 by 15. So minus 4 by 15 you have to write first. Then it is written subtract, so you have to write minus symbol. Okay, now see, there is no symbol before 2 by 5. So here we are not writing anything. Like in previous 4 by 7, before 4 by 7 there is a minus symbol. That's why we have written here. But here there is no symbol, that means positive only. So we don't have to write anything here. Okay. So next we have to check the denominator. See here, one number is multiple of the other. Okay, one denominator is the multiple of other denominator. So you have to convert 5, that is the smaller number. So here I am multiplying 5 with 3. Similarly in numerator we have to multiply it by 3. So 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. So 15 denominator is same. So here it is 15 minus 4, it is minus 6. Okay. Then after that take the LCM, that is 15, and in numerator you have to write as it is, that is minus 4 minus 6. Okay, and minus minus will become plus, so 4 plus 6 will be 10, and there will be a minus sign. Okay, because both are negative, we are to the left of the 0, all of you know this. Okay, so minus 10 by 15 you have to cancel it out, we will get what? Minus 2 by 3 as the final answer. So the next question number 5 is simplified. Here see, I have taken question number E, I am doing question number E, and the rest of the question please do it by yourself, but first you have to understood how to do the E number. Okay, so first of all see, here is a mixed rational number, or we can say a mixed fraction is there, so you have to convert it into improper. Okay, so first of all I have converted this, and after this what we have to do, see, you have to check the denominator. Okay, denominator is 7, 14, 12 and 4. So first of all I am finding LCM of 7, 14, 12 and 4, and by using prime factorization method, there are many methods you know how to find LCM. So in rough work you can easily find the LCM of these numbers and you will get 84. Okay, so 84 is the LCM of these 4 numbers. So next I have to convert every denominator. Okay, every denominator I have to convert it into 84. So if we multiply 7 with 12, then it will become what? 84. That's why I have multiplied the numerator and denominator of this rational number with 12. Okay, similarly the next one is denominator is 14. Okay, so here also I have to multiply with what? 6. If I multiply with 6, then it will become 84. So like that in numerator also we have to multiply with 6. Next number is 7 by 12, minus 7 by 12. So 12 sevens are 84. Okay. So I am multiplying here 7 in numerator and denominator, so that the final answer like this, minus 49 and by 84. Similarly, in the last rational number, I have to multiply with 21 in numerator and denominator, so that the denominator will become what? 84. So now see, all the denominators are what? Same. Now you can easily simplify, you can easily find the LCM. Okay, so all are 84, that's why in LCM we can directly write what? 84. So what is the first way? First of all, if there is any mixed fraction, or you can say mixed rational number, you have to convert it into improper fraction. Then you have to check the denominator. If denominator is not multiple of each other, okay, then you find the LCM. Okay, here I have founded the LCM of these four numbers as 84. Next you have to convert the denominator to 84. So which number you have to multiply, you have to check it. Okay, this will take time, but for sure if you practice now, then you can easily understand this question. So see, the LCM is 84. So here the first number is 264, then plus minus 30, then minus 49, then plus 231. Now first of all, what we have to do using BODMAS rule, we have to first simplify the bracket. So plus minus will be minus, this plus minus will be minus. Okay, like that you have to solve this. Okay, so the next, see, I have done. Okay, so 264 and 231, again you have to collect it. Okay, and this bracket, when we open the bracket, it will become minus 30, minus 49. Okay, so first of all do addition, then subtraction. Finally we got 416 by 84. As both are even numbers, you can simply cancel it and convert it into simplest form. Okay, so that's it for today. Please try to do the remaining question and practice more and more. As you all know, the online examination is also coming. Okay, already you are notified about the examination. Not only that, just you have to practice. Okay, for yourself you have to practice more and more. And one more thing is, when I used to give you the concept, okay, sometimes I used to explain the concept in one video lecture, and in the next video lecture there is a solving of exercise. Okay, the discussion of exercise, and some of you don't see the concept, okay, behind that discussion, behind that means exercise. All of you first go to the exercise. So this is my request to you, don't first see the exercise. First of all you need to see the concept. Okay, so first of all you have to be clear about that concept. So after gaining that concept, then you should go to the discussion of the exercise. Okay, so first of all just see the concept first. Okay, then after that see the exercise. Okay, this is my suggestion, and thank you for today.